Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling the ability for Facebook to open up external browser links on the iOS or Android version of the Facebook app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Facebook app and select the profile icon in the top right. And then go down and select Settings and Privacy. Select the Settings button. And then underneath Preferences, select Media. And then all the way at the bottom, it says Open Links in External Browser. Links shared in Messages will open externally. If you want to enable that feature, you would check mark in the box and it should save automatically. Otherwise, you can uncheck that option. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.